I'm Liz from Caravan Insurance. All awnings, whether on a touring caravan, a motorhome or a seasonal pitch where they're left standing for several months of the year, will get grubby after use. A clean, well-maintained awning will last for years, so it's important to keep on top of cleaning. We're here at Isabella Awnings and we're going to nip inside and speak to Nathan for his top tips on cleaning and reproofing your awning. So let's start by asking what equipment you'll need to clean your awning.
Before cleaning your awning, the type of equipment you will need is a bucket, warm water, sponges or cloths, a soft brush and if possible a long reach brush, towels, and finally plenty of time and a warm dry day. The best time to clean your awning if you're touring around is at the end of your holiday, and if you're a seasonal user is each time that you actually visit the awning there. The best thing to do is to keep on top of cleaning the awning. So once you see small stains or light marks, just use warm water to wipe those down. That'll make it a lot easier. The best place we find to clean your actual awning is on site and on your caravan. We find cleaning the awning whilst it's attached to the caravan on site means you can actually get to the awning roof without putting it onto the floor. If like today you've got wet, muddy conditions, we've taken the panels out of the awning to take home to clean individually. Once at home, we would lay down a PVC ground sheet or tarpaulin, then we'd lay down the awning material onto that to clean. It goes without saying not to attempt to try and clean your awning on wet or muddy ground. Equally, if you're on hard standing pitches, try and put a ground sheet down first just to protect it, and ideally, if possible, try not to stand on the awning. You only need to reproof your awning if you've carried out a deep clean or used abrasive cleaner on your awning fabric. Abrasive cleaners will start to take off the waterproof coating the awnings are made with. But reproofing the awning is not as daunting as you may think, which you'll see later. Step 1, if you can remove your curtains from the awning, take those out and wash them separately. Step 2, remove all your panels and clean those individually, initially using warm water and a cloth. For the more stubborn stains or mud, you can use a light cleaner. If you're on a seasonal pitch, you can do this whilst the panels are in on the awning by again wiping down with warm water and a light cleaner if needed. Step 3, with the panels removed and the awning still in the rail, let the roof drape down against the van and clean down with warm water and a cloth, or if you've got it, a soft long-handled brush. If you've got any stubborn stains, for example if you've been pitched under a tree so you've got tree sap onto the awning, you can use a more abrasive cleaner to help remove these from the material. Common stains include tree sap, bird lime, grease from food, and like today, mud. So to remove those, you'll need to use a more abrasive cleaner. Step 4, if you have used a cleaner, wipe over again with warm water just to remove any chemical left. Step 5, dry the awning down with a towel, or if it's a fine day, let it dry naturally, ready for it to be packed away. If you are waiting for it to dry, now's a good time to clean down your poles and your pegs, ready for next use. To clean the pegs, scrape off any excess mud with another peg and use a soft brush and warm water to make them nice and clean. Finally, step 6, pack the awning away, remembering to only pack it away once dry and clean. Before reproofing your awning, make sure it's clean and dry. And in this example here, we're using Aquatex and we're just following the instructions and spraying it directly onto the canvas and then letting it dry. Another top tip is to break your awning fabric down into sections. As you can see here, I am going from top to bottom in smaller sections, making my way across the fabric. And don't forget, you can apply the reproofing on the outside of the awning and on the inside.
So there you go, a huge thank you to Isabella UK for showing us how to clean and reproof your awning. And remember, a well-maintained awning will last for years and will also help to retain its value. And don't forget, our caravan and motorhome insurance also includes cover for awnings should they be damaged by storm or bad weather. For more hints and tips, why not head on over to the Caravan website. Thanks for watching.